Foodie Friday is brought to you by 99 cents only stores.
It sure is Foodie Friday, or how about Fruity Friday? Get a load of this spread. And so that means we are cooking up something extra special today. I'm here with Desiree Miller from the 99 cents only stores, and she's got what every parent or caregiver is looking for, which is tasty and fun snacks for the kiddos that are not only healthy, but also they fit your budget. Let's start off with some of your tips here. We got apple donuts.
Yeah, you know, so you can kind of trick your kids into eating something healthy if it looks really pretty. So what we have here are just apple donuts. It's really just apple slices. We put some strawberry cream cheese, and then a little sugar. Didn't kill anybody. It's so easy. You're actually going to cut an apple much like you would maybe a tomato. Yeah. And let's make a nice thin slice. Okay. Okay, so it's actually really easy to core an apple. I'm just going to cut out the center here. Okay. Right, and let's just go ahead and poke that out.
And kids, if you're watching this, remember, leave it to mom and dad when it comes to using these sharp objects.
Oh, that's exactly right.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So then, so we're gonna go ahead and spread on here. We've got the strawberry cream cheese at the 99.
And then what is this? I'm gonna say chocolate?
It is actually a hazelnut spread. So
nice.
You know, peanut butter, maybe something chocolate hazelnut.
Sweet.
Alrighty. So we'll get the chocolate spread on this side.
I like that. I just wanted to make it colorful because it looks good.
So good.
Yeah.
All right, you just spread it on the other half. Ooh. Okay, so now it's time for toppings. Okay.
So sprinkles make everything better.
Yep, and especially rainbow sprinkles.
Oh.
So we're gonna go ahead and put some rainbow sprinkles on this side. And then that is actually granola, so it's flavored vanilla granola.
Oh, wow. See, I thought it was just like crushed peanuts or some crushed cashews.
Some crushed granola. We've got them in a couple different flavors. They're super, super tasty and a fun, easy snack. And then there you go.
Ooh, I'm liking that.
All right.
Here's the other thing that's pretty creative is the sushi. Not really a sushi roll, but a banana peanut butter sushi.
Right, so sushi is, you know, it's an adult food, but it's also really fun to make. And so kids also want to eat sushi, but maybe they're not, you know, into the raw fish thing. So
I can't wait to try that. What is this? So point this out to
me. So all
it
is we've got a tortilla, and then we spread the hazelnut spread all over the tortilla. Okay. And then if you want to unwrap a banana, I think we've got one in the bag there.
Okay. Not everything is always going to be 99 cents, but for the most part, I would think 9 times out of 10, you're going to get, you know, something for 99 cents, which you brought in something that was, what, a couple more bucks?
Yeah, so $2.99, you know, some things are over $1, and it's really an extreme value, you know, so this is an insulated bag, so it'll make it easy to carry these snacks maybe to a soccer game, you know, and it keeps your food or drinks, you know, nice and cool.
And there's lots of space. I'm liking the color.
Yeah, you know, and it's super cute, you know, not to mention, so we take into, you know, design into consideration.
I was going to say, you know, here's something else. My mom bought me one of these bags. Actually, I think it was from the 99 cent store, and she got it embroidered with my name, so that's an idea.
You know, those will be $14, $15, you know, somewhere else. So,
okay, cool. So here's the banana.
Alrighty, so we've got that all spread.
Okay. And what, do we cut the banana, or are we putting the banana?
No, we're actually going to put it in there just like sushi.
No way, just like that?
Yep.
And then roll it up.
Roll it up.
I love that.
You'll want to roll it tight.
Okay.
Any sushi chef will tell you to roll your sushi tight.
Okay.
All right, so we're just going to go just like that.
Sweet. And let's get to the fruit kebabs as well. We'll go ahead and leave that, and then we'll cut into it later, because these are always fun and colorful, and kids love colors. They love to play with their food too, and this is a fun way to, you know, get them to eat healthy.
No, that's exactly right. So fruit kebabs are really easy to make. You just cut up a bunch of really fresh fruit, and you know, the colors make it so much fun. You just grab a kebab.
Well, we've got some kiddos here because obviously we want the kids to try these. Okay, so we have Jeremiah, and you. How old are you, Jeremiah?
You guys are
5. 5. Oh, we got Raylyn up here, and Angela, big sissy, right there.
Guys.
Who's the big 6? So you all want to try some of this stuff? It's got to be kid tested, kid approved. Are you ready? What would you like to try? The fruit? Oh, you want a strawberry? Okay, grab that one right there and just give it a go. Take a big bite for me. Oh, how's it taste? It's good. You like it?
All right.
Which one do you girls like? Oh, you want a piece of cantaloupe? Oh, okay. Let me give you one of these. Here you go. Take a big bite and tell me what it's like. Is it good?
Yeah, nice
so
and
delicious.
tasty.
Mouth is fun. How about you? What do you like? You're going for the grapes, aren't you?
You are.
Oh, pull one of those.
Alrighty.
Pull one of those grapes off.
I'll hold it for you.
Sweet. Okay, so some great deals on fresh fruits and veggies over at the 99 cents only stores. There, you can go. You can find more information. If you don't know where it is, where your local 99 cent store is, where do we go?
You go to do the99.com. We have so many stores in the LA area.
You just plug in your zip, right? It's that easy?
That easy.
Very cool. Okay, happy eating. You want a piece of pineapple?
Want to try it again?
All right. Thanks, Desiree. Thanks, kiddos.
They're super cute.
I think I'm going to go to the 99-cent store after work today.
Yeah.
You know what that little boy said? He doesn't want any candy or any sweets. He wanted all fruit. I swear he ate like the whole. Yeah, I was going to say he ate like the whole tray.
Yeah, that was me as a kid too, and now not so much anymore.
So when we come back, guess what? Another rockin' performance by the British